Sorry, I look pretty rough and the lighting is not great right now, but I'm just about to update my shop and I wanted to document this moment. And another thing I'm realizing is maybe I shouldn't set my shop updates to midnight. I did it for my original shop launch. It was at midnight by accident. And then my shop update, my first one, my fall one, I actually planned it out and I did it at like 2 p.m. EST or something. But then I forgot for this one again and now it's at midnight and why am I like this? So anyway, I'm just about to make all my new listings go live. There's just a couple of them, but I'm really excited. So yeah, I just wanted to pop in with my tea and my gingerbread shirt and my crazy hair and my awful appearance to say, hi, I'm updating my shop and it's exciting. So yeah. Gonna click the publish button. Publish. Everybody, and welcome back to another studio vlog. We're starting off this studio vlog with something really exciting. So I know I've talked about this in previous vlogs, and I also know that I've cut out myself talking about this because I kept saying I was going to unbox it and then I never did. So I would cut it out because it didn't happen. So I'm not sure how much I've actually talked about this. Silhouette, excuse my dog barking, Silhouette has gifted me a Portrait 3 cutting machine, which is insane. And I just want to say thank you so much, Silhouette. They knew I was having struggles with my Cricut, and so they sent me this baby. And I am so excited to try it out. It's such a cute, compact looking machine, and I really hope I have better luck with this one. So we're gonna unbox it today and I'm super excited. Yeah, so let's do it. I'm so excited. X-Acto knife. Okay, let's open this. Oh my gosh! A pink toolkit! I love it! Look at that. It's so cute. It has like a little scrapey and a little neck. What the heck? I can't believe they sent me that. The little super cute mat. This machine is so tiny. Oh my gosh.
literally dying. This is so cute. Oh my gosh! Look how tiny it is!
Oh, so cute. It's like a little pod.
It's like a little pill. Wait, what the heck? This is adorable. I love it. I can't wait to put stickers all over it. It's so light too. What the heck? If I could compare this to my other one, the Cameo, it's literally like double the size of this. And then we have the power bar and the blade and the instructions. I can't get over how tiny and compact everything is. Even the mat is so much smaller than any cutting mat I've ever used before. She's on. So I've decided to put her back here on my desk. And I have this lamp here that I can turn on to give her the life that she deserves with good lighting. And hopefully it will go well. I'm really excited to try her. I probably will try it later tonight though, because I still have to get some contract work done today. Where should I put this apple sticker? There, she has the apple on her. Oh my gosh, a portion of the proceeds are donated to support the National Breast Cancer Foundation. Little cloth. Okay, it's time to test. Oops, I like almost peeled up the sticky part. There, and then we'll save this so I can stick it back on later. And we stick. Oops, I suck. Oh no, let go. I suck. Everybody! So that was a really successful first test of stickers and I'm really happy. Here are all my little "You're Very Awesome" stickers. They turned out really well and they cut perfectly. Even though my first test was on just like regular printer paper in black and white and that one went flawlessly. But then with my sticker paper, I ran into a problem of the ink kind of bled around the registration marks, and my silhouette was having some problems reading them. I tried using some whiteout and it didn't help at all, so that sucked. But then I did a manual registration and they cut perfectly. I'm so happy. And again, a massive thank you to Silhouette. I'm so excited about this machine. Thank you for sending it to me. That's insane. I don't even know what else to say. Thank you. And also, thank you for these adorable pink little tools, because I love them. Hi everybody, happy Sunday. I have done quite a few things since I last touched base with you, but yeah, so I'll just chat about that really quickly. So I finished this drawing, and some of you maybe might know, but I did another drawing last year. This is what it looks like. It was my 1,000 follower Instagram Draw This in Your Style. And yeah, I did it around this time last year. She's just a cute little gingerbread girl. I decided that I wanted to redraw her this year and do another Draw This in Your Style. It was kind of something that just like popped in my head this week, and I was like, you know what, I want to do it. So I did it and I'm really happy with it. And yeah, so it's all done. And I'm gonna post it. I don't know when I'm gonna post it. Maybe today, maybe tomorrow, probably tomorrow. So that's gonna go up, and I hope that other people like it too and want to participate and draw her, because that would be super fun. I thought she was like so like whimsical and pretty, so hopefully you guys will like her too. And another thing I did, I made all these cute illustrations for my patrons rather. You can kind of see it. I'm not showing this very well. But yeah, I just made some cute little illustrations. I'm in the process right now of turning them into wallpapers. So I have the Meowie Christmas one done, and it's actually on my phone right now, and I think it's so cute. So I'm just working with the other ones to try and figure out how I want to make those into wallpapers, and I'm gonna have those up to my patrons very, very soon, and I'm super excited because I think I want to turn them into stickers too. And maybe that will be this month's Happy Mail. And I want to make a print for this month's Happy Mail too. I want this month's Happy Mail to be really awesome. So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys some of the things I've been working on and wrap up this video. Thank you guys so much for watching and for being here and for liking and subscribing. Thank you guys for all of your amazing comments. I literally, every time somebody tells me that I inspire them, I usually tear up a little bit, because I don't know. I think this time last year, if somebody would have told me that I would be inspiring people, I would laugh at them.
So it's a really great feeling. And yeah, you guys are awesome. So thank you. I'm getting emotional. Anyway, I will see you guys next week. And I hope you guys have an awesome and safe day. I'm out. Bye.